If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Say if you're happy and you know it, then your face shall surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good morning, Fantastic Fours. How are you doing this morning? Who went outside to look at their plants? I did. I gave it a little bit of water. So this week we are talking about plants. And what are plants? God made plants all over the world. And how are they grown? We learned that they grow from seeds, they grow from stems, they grow from roots, and they grow from older plants. We also learned that they have different colors. Not all of them are green, right? And when we go on our little trip, our little tour yesterday, we saw different colors, right? Yes. We also learned that they don't stay one place. Even though they don't move about like us, like living people, they grow and spread. So they grow tall. Plants are of different heights. Some are short and some are way up, way tall. Yes. Now, some of them have big leaves and some of them have small leaves. So you're going to go outside again and you're going to look at the plants that has big leaves and the ones that have small leaves. Some of them, the leaves are long, like the coconut tree leaves. They have long leaves, banana tree leaves. Some of them, the leaves are very tiny, very fine leaves. So we have a variety of sizes and shapes that comes in plants. Now, what did we say we want plants need to grow again? Sunlight, air, and water. We also visited a letter, and that is the letter S. And some of you wrote your letter S, and it looks so nice. Give yourselves a clap, man. Clap yourselves. And sound the letter S for me. The letter S says soil begins with the letter S. Seed begins with the letter S. Soursop begins with the letter S. Sweet sop begins with the letter S. And you're going to tell me more things that begins with the letter S. So we had ourselves a wonderful week, right? So I'll be coming in shortly with the activity. Catch you later, my fantastic babies. Mwah.